Well, hey YouTube, it's elvisammo here. Hey guys, today I wanted to show you guys another source for ammo. I know right now ammo is hard to come by, and components is very hard to come by as well. It seems like we're fighting in an uphill battle. All right. Well, if you like these kind of videos, definitely right here in the beginning, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not, and join me on Patreon if you want to support me over there. I'm going to show you a company. I've never heard of them before. I don't know if you guys have. It's they're called Zinc, and they also go by manufactured by Still American. So I don't know if you guys have heard of them. They obviously are, they've been around, from what I've seen, they've been around for about 6 years now. They obviously want to build their brand, or they wouldn't have sent me some ammo to check out and some components. What I've done is I've took all these out. I've been using this ammo for a couple of weeks now, at maybe a little bit more, and I've been shooting it, and other people have been shooting it, and we've just been checking it out, and have some targets for you, that kind of thing. So I even compared it to some other ammo out there. So what they sent me was some 147 grain 300 blackout, and all of this ammo shot very well. There was nothing to mention as far as the brass goes. Everything looked good. I'll just throw that out in the beginning. So they sent me this 300 blackout ammo. It shot very well. I'll show you some targets here in a minute, and I'll give you a close-up of the ammo. This is made by Zinc over in Claiborne, Texas. And if any of you guys know of them or know them, please comment and let us know. And if you guys end up going over there and buying some ammo from them, please report right back to this comment section so that we all know how your experience went. And this is their 223 ammo, and it is a 62 grain. Well, I take that back. They're calling it a 5.56 62 grain is what they're calling that, and that's the 300 blackout 147. So they generally, it looks like they like to sell in bulk, and this is how it was packaged. And I just taped these flaps back so they would be out of our way so we can see. All right, and this is a close-up of their 62 grain 5.56. Right there. So, and again, everything looked good. Okay, and then they also sent me some 9mm, and they came in these boxes here, like this. All right, and I just shot up one box of those. Everything looked great, no problem. And this is what the ammo looks like. Zinc in Claiborne, Texas. The other thing, it looked like I'd seen where they were. They'll probably correct me if I'm wrong, but I did see where they were, and these are 115 grain, 115 grain, and they're calling those a true metal jacket, is what they're calling those, TMJ, and that's what it looks like right there. Alright, so it looks like they're maybe trying to open up a plant in Alabama somewhere. Anyway, I just I just happened across that, and I'm not sure if it's still on or if they were just trying and it didn't work out. But anyway, so it looks like some progress is going on over there. So then they sent me, now they didn't send me a jar of bullets, but they sent me a box of bullets like this, and it's just got some used brass in there. But that's what the bullets came in, and I think they're like 250. Oh yeah, there it is right there, 255, and it's a full metal jacket, 124 grain is what they are, and this is what they look like right here. Looks like a pretty good typical, and I did happen to just weigh 10 of them just to see how consistent they were, and they were within a half a grain, so that was really good. So that was that, and I just put them in that jar. But I will be doing I'll do a video when I load those and shoot them. All right. And then what they sent, so I know they have some components. They also, that was the box of 223, by the way, right there, that they sent. And I don't know how many I've shot. You know, a good bit. I don't know, 70 or 80, 100. I'm not sure. And they also sent this this brass right here. I'll give you a good look at it. I'm not even in the camera, am I? 762 by 51. So I'll load some of these up too. Maybe I'll load up a couple different loads of them. So right there, so that's good new brass, primed brass, and 280 brand new brass primers, and they're all sealed as well. So everything looks very good, you know, and these were the targets right here. I just put zinc point 9mm. I put 10 yards and 7 yards. It was actually the other way around. 7 yards I shot, and then I shot 10 yards. And I generally shoot pretty good at that distance, you know, and I just shot that with my Glock. But sometimes I shoot a lot worse. That was a good group, so I'm patting myself on the back. But anyway, nothing to see there except for it outshoots us, right? Everything shot very well, and then what I done was I shot a group because I wanted to compare some of this stuff so you guys could see it. So I shot some of this Fiocchi 300 blackout, and I tried to match the 147 grain that they give me with some more factory ammo, and this is 150 grain is what that was, 150 grain Fiocchis. And this was the target. I guess I should. I really wasn't planning on measuring these, but just so you know, I know it's hard to understand, you know, looking through the camera lens, but you know, that was the Fiocchi, and I shot these at 50 yards, guys, because I shot it with a red dot. Okay, and I do have a little magnifier on there, so I was able to get on there pretty good, I felt like. Okay, so so there's the Fiocchi, and so that was pretty impressive, you know, compared to you know, other factory ammo. And I know I only shot one to compare it to, and I probably could have done better than that. But anyway, you can't go wrong with that. That's how 300 shoots right there. If you can get a group like that, even at 50 yards, that's good ammo. So that was that. And let's see. And then what I done was I went ahead and shot a couple of groups. Let me move that out of the way. You can probably see better. Yeah. I went ahead and shot a couple of groups with this Norm Attack, and it's a 55 grain, and then I shot. That was such a, look how terrible this group is. Igman. I just bought some of this. Igman. All right. Now, the truth is though, I'd shot. I got this a couple of weeks ago, and I've already shot a couple of groups with it, and I know they were better than that. But that's just the way they shot. And when I just put this paper up, guys, and whatever groups it gives me, I just went ahead and wrote the names on it and shot the group. You know how it goes when we test ammo. You shoot the group, and that's just what it is. I mean, you can shoot it over all day long if you want. But that's what that was. I'm pretty sure, you know, it did a lot better than that. You know, maybe like this the last time. So I don't know. I'll definitely be checking that out for sure. See what happened there. You know, which one of these are flyers? Both of them. Anyway, there's the Norma and the Igman. I've never even heard of Igman until I bought that. That's a Serbian ammo. And that's a 5-inch group if you measure from there to there. Good Lord. Anyway, they make an ammo so fast these days. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I'm gonna dig into that a little more. But so that was some factory stuff, and then I shot 2 groups with the Zinc point at 100 yards, and both of this one also was at 100 yards. And the first group looked really good. You know, 1.5 inches at 100 yards is really good with factory ammo. And then somehow or another, this one opened up. I don't know. You know, if you measure from there to there, it was a little over 1.25 inches. But you know, whatever. But that's but again, I have shot several groups with this ammo, checking it out, and all of them were better than that one. But that's what hit the paper, guys. I'm just showing you what I got. But I also want to tell you the backstory if I have one, and that's the backstory. All right. So so it shoots well. 62 grain ammo, and I like this. I like 62 grain ammo. So anyway, guys, if you guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description, and they give me a code for free shipping, and it's just Elvis ammo, one word. So, but if you guys decide to go over there and look and see if they have a component that you want, or some ammo that you like at the price that you like, then, you know, or if you can't find ammo somewhere else, you know, don't hesitate to go over to Zinc Point and check them out. But let me know what your experience is, if you do have an experience already, and certainly if you go over there and buy some, leave a comment in the description of this video so that we will all know what your experience is buying this stuff or anything from them. So I will be doing some more testing in the future. I will certainly be loading up some of these 7.62 by 51s and some 9mm, and of course if I get anything else from them, I'll show you guys what it is, you know, component wise. Hopefully I'll be able to get some more components from them. So anyway, I hope everything's going good for you guys. I'll see you in the next video.